हेलो बच्चों, आज हम सीखेंगे ई से एच तक। E for elephant. E.
सब बोलो ए।
F for fish. Fish.
सब बोलो F।
G for grapes. Good grapes.
सब बोलो G।
H for hat. Ha. H for hat. सब बोलो H.
E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for hat. Great job, बच्चों।